Hello, this is Mr. Molo on 11-1, area of parallelograms. We've done area of shapes before. We're just going to be introducing some new shapes, but the way to find the area is going to be exactly the same. We're still going to need to multiply the base times the height, and then for a triangle, half base times height. So if we have a figure like this, a parallelogram, so we still have the height here. So this could be a little tricky for some shapes because a lot of times what the book is going to give you is they're going to give you a number here, like let's say this is 5, and then they're going to give you a number here, let's say that's 7. So they're going to want to try and trick you of you thinking that 7 is the height, but really the height's going to be 5, not 7, because that's the straight line there. And then the base is still going to be the base, so you're still going to be multiplying base times height. So if you look at some example problems, we have a parallelogram over here that our two numbers are 3 times 2, and since we're talking about height, our answer is always going to be in square units, so 3 times 2 is going to give us 6 centimeters squared. Over here for this yellow parallelogram, we have 1 by 2, and again we're going to be in square units, so it's going to be 2 centimeters squared. Over here talking about this blue parallelogram, same thing, we have 4 times 3.5, so our area for this parallelogram is going to be 14 centimeters squared. And then for the orange parallelogram, we have 2.5 centimeters times 5 centimeters, which is going to give us 12.5 centimeters squared. It's important that we have our labels there once we start doing volume and things like that. Some more examples, just if they write it out as problems and you don't have a picture, I would still always like to draw a picture. But these are just some different examples. So if I have something with a height of 20 centimeters and a width of 5 centimeters, well, 20 times 5 is going to give us 100 centimeters squared. And then something over here, we have a base of 12 and a height of 11, and that's going to give us 132 centimeters squared. Next one, a width of 30 and a height of 8. I know 3 times 8 is 24. So that means 30 times 8 is going to give us 240. So I have 240 centimeters squared. And with a height of 1 and a base of 50. This one's a little trickier because it says a height of 1 meter. So we have to convert it to centimeters first. So if we're going back to the King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk, we're going to need to convert that to the meters to centimeters first. So 1 meter to centimeters is going to give us 100 centimeters. So I have 100 times 50, which is going to give us 5,000 centimeters squared. I'm just checking over our work. 132, 240, and 5,000 centimeters square, or we could have converted them both to meters and made it half a meter squared. And there's your homework, and I will see you tomorrow.